All right, Jake. I hate your alien. I really do. I really do. Wait. Before we start, go to party settings.
Why?
Because I need your voice to be shared.
What do you mean shared?
Shared! I need it to be shared.
What do you mean, like, gameplay?
Yes, gameplay. What else?
Alright, we're fine.
He's good. No, that's my girlfriend.
You
Girlfriend, no. I love my girlfriend.
Right now, let's go. Let's go, bitch.
Oh my god. Wait, you want to go in game chat? Yeah, you went to game chat. Dang it, I can't go in game chat right now. Fudge, I have to do that later. Next video, but right now, we're gonna whoop Jake, just like last time. And he just noticed I didn't go into game chat. That's his fault. That's his fault.
I do not wish to fight you.
Me neither.
Concerned that I will win?
No, concerned that I will.
Round one.
Let's go, babe. I'm sorry, babe. Let's go. No combos, not. No, wait, babe. Babe. I didn't eat the last cookie, I promise.
He ate the last cookie.
What the? Why are your eyes like that? Why is that a thing? Ow, babe. Babe, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop talking to Marlena.
You can mute me too, you know. I am fire. I am fire. I am fire.
You're stupid. You are stupid. You are stupid.
I am fire.
You are stupid.
No!
I should never have fallen for you.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Fight.
Let's go then. Shoot. Dang it. She's doing basic attacks, not a comboing. I barely touched her. Alright, that's it. What's up? Ah! What? Ah! Ah! Alright, now don't let up. No! Stop it! She keeps doing the same damn thing! Go away! I hate you! We're breaking up! We're breaking up!
Shut up!
Who's Mr. Howard? Who's Mr. Howard? What the freak? No, I stopped blocking. I can still win. No! Ah! I hate you so much. She let me live.
Katana wins.
That's it? No more hot chocolate for you, lady!